the urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, Richland, and Seneca. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northern Richland County, southern Huron County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northern Crawford County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Bloomville, or 11 miles southeast of Tiffin, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Washington around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Willard and Plymouth around 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shenandoah, North Fairfield, Attica, Tyro, Olivesburg, and Greenwich. The forecast.